Hi, I'm Michaela, and today I'm going to show you how to make a mini pie. So first, you'll want to preheat your oven to 350 degrees, and then you'll want to spray your pan so that the dough doesn't stick to it. And I bought this from the store, the pie crust. You can get it like in the cold food area. It kind of saved us a little bit of time, but you can make your own with your own recipe at home if you'd like to. So I found round objects that could make circles. So I got this bowl. It's like about 4 inches diameter across. And the circle it makes fits perfectly into our muffin tin. And I also have this lid from a jelly jar, and that diameter is perfect for our little covering that's going to be on top. So I'm going to make a couple of these. Do you like my oven? Miss Chris made it for me. So once we have this, you can cut a shape into it or make a lattice design. So for this one, I'm going to use a heart stencil and cut a little bitty heart in it. Here it is. And, I'm actually going to make one more circle. Okay. So I'm putting another circle in our tin, and we're going to put our pie filling inside next. I got strawberry because that's my favorite, but there's lots of different kinds you can get. And you'll want to fill it like close to the top, but not all the way to the top, because it all kind of rises in the oven and then sinks back down again. So I have that in there. And then you'll want to press your design on top of it and kind of poke it down in there and stick it to the circle underneath so that it kind of sticks together. And then I'll show you how to make a lattice for this one. You'll take your circle and you'll cut some strips into it, going up and down. About 5 or 6 strips is what you'll want to make. I'm going to do 6 because that will make it look more even and symmetrical. Oops. And I cut mine a little too thick, so I'm going to steal some from another circle. You can do that as well. And then, so I have these strips here, and you'll want to lay them crosswise like this, and then you'll kind of weave them like a basket. If you've ever done that kind of craft before, you'll want to weave them over and under each other. So this is going to go over, under, over, under. Next one. Over, under. And if it gets a little messy, that's okay. It doesn't have to be perfect because you're going to eat it anyway. And then once you get it woven like a little basket, you'll kind of pinch the sides so it all stays together. Kind of round it off a bit. And so then you'll have your little heart one and your little lattice one. And, also, in your kit that we hand out at the library, we give you these little whisks, except it's going to be tinier and cuter, and it'll have a ribbon on it. And so you can take an egg and beat up an egg with your whisk. And you can use that for like a glaze to put on top of your mini pie. So you'll whisk it up. This part's kind of fun. And then you'll get one of these brush things, I don't know what it's called. And you'll kind of paint it like a paintbrush, like you're painting a picture. You'll glaze the egg over top. And that'll help it look shinier when it comes out of the oven. And so now we're all ready to cook it, and you'll put it in your 350-degree oven for 30 to 40 minutes or until it's golden brown. And I brought some that I cooked earlier. And this is what they look like. They're pretty cute, right? And they're really easy to make. So you can make it at home anytime you'd like. Ask a parent maybe to help you with the oven and stuff. But it's very fun. And thanks for watching.